How to send a group email in Gmail. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to send an email to multiple recipients. Now the first thing you need to do is go and click on this square icon in the top right hand side, and then you need to go and select contacts. Now here you'll see a list of all of the contacts in your Gmail account. Now before you can send a group email, you need to add each member individually as a contact. So you can do that by clicking the Create Contact button, click on Create a Contact, and just make sure to include a name and also an email address, and then you can go and press Save to save the contact. So as you can see, I already have my contacts added down here. Now what we need to do is go and create a group, and then we need to add the contacts to the group. So you can do that by clicking this plus icon next to labels, and then you can go and give your group a name. So I'm just going to call mine group and then press save. So now that we have our group created, we need to go and select the contacts that we want to add to this group. So you can do that just by checking the box next to each of the contacts that you want to add. Once you have your contacts selected, click on this label icon and then go and select the group that you want to add them to. You can then press apply in order to save the changes. So now if I go and click on my group in the left hand side, you can see all of the people that we have added to this group. So you can basically remove people and you can add as many people as you like to this group. And now that we've created the group, we can go and send a group email. So what we're going to do is head back over to Gmail. You can then click on Compose a New Email, and where it says to, you're just going to type in your group name. So mine was group, and you can see there's 4 contacts inside of this group, and it's going to send an email to all of these different contacts. You can then go and give your email a subject and also a description as well, and then you can just go and send this as you would a regular email, and that's how to send group emails in Gmail.